How do regulatory approvals impact mergers and acquisitions? Breaking news in the business world. The question on many people's minds is how regulatory approvals impact mergers and acquisitions. This topic is trending as companies are navigating complex deals and facing regulatory scrutiny. If you are involved in business transactions, understanding these approvals is essential. Let's break down the key points that matter right now. Regulatory approvals are critical in shaping mergers and acquisitions. They influence transaction timelines, deal structures, and overall feasibility. These approvals ensure compliance with competition laws and national security considerations. Each jurisdiction and industry has its own requirements. Regulatory bodies often requiring a review period to assess public interest and competition impact. This review can significantly extend the timeline for closing a deal. For instance, in the rail industry, the Surface Transportation Board has up to 15 months to decide on merger applications. This can delay deal closure well beyond what companies initially expect. Engaging early with regulators and legal counsel is vital to manage these timing issues. The structure of a transaction can also be influenced by regulatory requirements. Companies may need to modify deal terms or divest certain assets to gain approval. Cross-border transactions add complexity due to differing national laws. For example, foreign direct investment regulations in the United States and European Union requiring tailored strategies. National security reviews are becoming a major hurdle for transactions involving sensitive technologies or critical infrastructure. Regulations like the United States Committee on Foreign Investment in the United States demand thorough due diligence. Even minority investments can trigger scrutiny, requiring detailed compliance planning. Regulatory environments affect defensive tactics in mergers and acquisitions. Shareholder rights plans, often called poison pills, vary by jurisdiction. Canadian regulators have changed takeover bid regimes, impacting how unsolicited proposals are handled. Legal and tax considerations are also essential. Compliance with multi-jurisdictional legal and tax regulations is necessary for a transaction's legality. Financial mergers often requiring oversight from specific authorities, adding another layer of review. Regulatory approvals impact mergers and acquisitions by imposing procedural requirements that affect timing, structure, and risk profiles. Navigating these approvals requires careful legal planning and ongoing compliance monitoring. Understanding the regulatory landscape is vital for businesses looking to succeed in their transactions.